In this video, we're going to be doing a Builderall versus Clickfunnels. Which software is better? Which one should you use? We'll see right now. Alright guys, Mike Vaya here with ImproveYourLifeToday.com, and if you haven't yet hit the like button and smash that button, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, help me grow this channel. I want to be hitting the masses. I want to grow with you guys and give you tremendous value. Okay, so let's jump into what you are here for. Builderall versus Clickfunnels. So let's dive into my computer. Let's do a little screen share. Let's get this party popping. Let's see. All right, guys. So we are now in my computer, and what you see here is you see Builderall, and what you see there, you see Clickfunnels. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and dissect these platforms. I am a customer of both. I've been doing affiliate marketing since 2017 already. So when you've already done affiliate marketing for some time, it's okay to dive into multiple platforms and just use them. And you know, some hit the purpose more than others. But when you are a beginner, when you are just getting started in affiliate marketing, you do not need to invest in so many softwares, because then it's going to be costing you more than what you are making. And that's the problem. When you are a starting off affiliate marketer, you want to get all the right tools and do all these things, and you're just not making the money for it, right? Nothing's built in a day. You know, Rome wasn't built in a few days. It took time. Everything takes time if you're trying to build a real business here. This is no get rich quick. Affiliate marketing is a real tangible business where I, for one, believe that Builderall is the right tool for that. And I'm going to compare both these platforms and tell you why exactly Builderall edges out Clickfunnels, in my opinion, when it comes to starting off in affiliate marketing. Which tool can benefit you more? Which tool will give you more for your money? And yeah, let's do that. So first and foremost, Builderall is a software where they give you over 29 tools, and all the only tools you'll need to get your business started, right? So they have a cheetah drag and drop website builder. So that's for building websites. It's also for building funnels and landing pages. It's optimized for mobile perfection. It also has email marketing already in it. The best part of it all, in my opinion, is that they've integrated with WordPress. So if you see here, right here, WordPress integration, they've integrated with WordPress, which just makes it so much better. I actually pay for Bluehost. Bluehost is where I host my WordPress websites. I have a few WordPress websites on Bluehost. It costs me maybe around $200 a year. So it's not bad, but with Builderall, you can have it all in one place opposed to having it in Bluehost, right? And the reason I did Bluehost over Builderall is because at that time, Builderall had not integrated WordPress. So now that they did that, that's freaking awesome, guys. Builderall is stepping up their game. They're adding so much to it, where now I would have not even had to leave this software to start my affiliate marketing business, make some money, and then branch out and get some other softwares that, you know, will help me optimize in other directions. But to get started, this is the only tool you need. I mean, it has emails, it has email marketing, it has email scarcity timers, it has page loading speeds, and just a bunch of freaking tools that will help you optimize your business. Now, Clickfunnels here. Clickfunnels is an amazing software. You know, I love it. I mean, it has so many freaking users. Look at that, 114,000 users. But it's optimized only for funnel building. And don't get me wrong, funnel building is freaking awesome. It's you know, what you need for your business. But when you can have all those tools in one, and for a cheaper price, where it's actually optimized to perform good, then you should get started with Builderall and eventually branch out to Clickfunnels, because Clickfunnels is fully optimized and focuses only on funnel building. But you know, Builderall is much cheaper and you get more for it, and it gets the job done. So it just really depends where you are in your journey with affiliate marketing, where you are financially, if you want to have your tools all over the place, or if you just want to have them in one place when you're getting started, organize yourself, get this business popping, and then, you know, branch out and get other softwares. But if you look at the pricing between the two, okay, ClickFunnels is $97 per month. That is their cheapest plan. If I go ahead and go back to Builderall and I click plans, you're gonna see their cheapest plan. Well, one is free, but we're gonna ignore free because free is trash. Is $19.90. You get 3 domains, 100 subscribers, right? Let's blow these 3 out of the water, and let's only look at essential and premium because you get more bang for your buck for these 2 plans right here. So for the essential plan, you get 10 domains. For the premium, you get 15. And with this premium, you can promote the software and much more things. That's why premium is always the best way to go here with Builderall, right? Well, with ClickFunnels, their cheapest plan, $97 a month, is still more expensive than Builderall's most expensive plan. That's one difference right there. Now, if you look here, you get to build only 20 funnels. You are limited to 20 funnels. Builderall, unlimited funnel building, unlimited website creations. ClickFunnels, and I've already maxed out my freaking ClickFunnels. It's time for me to upgrade to platinum, but $297 per month, it's a little hefty, guys. It's a little hefty. You get 100 pages on this basic plan, right? With Builderall, unlimited pages, unlimited users. How many people can log into your account? With this basic plan, 1. With this premium plan, you get 3. Builderall, unlimited. Payment gateways. Connect payment gateways over several integrations so you can get paid. So this is pretty much, creating your little websites or landing pages that can actually capture payments. ClickFunnels only allows you to connect it to 3 websites. With Builderall, you get unlimited payment gateways, unlimited domains, right? You only get 3 domains on ClickFunnels' cheapest plan. 3. I maxed that out already too. Well, with Builderall, if you go back to it, you get 15 freaking domains, guys. You don't get 15 domains on ClickFunnels until you get all the way to this mega super $1,497 per month plan. Like, what the hell? Like, I'll be honest with you guys, before even doing this video, I didn't even know they had a $1,400 plan. Last I checked, they didn't even have that plan. When I saw, and they don't, right? It's more details to come, right? So it's brand new, just ran into it by doing this video, and I think it's freaking insane that they even have a plan that expensive, guys. Like, you got to be making big bucks to join that plan for sure. And as you can see here, it's a 2 comma club. It's new. This is definitely new.
Hey, this is Russell again.
This is definitely new. This is for the big guys, right? This is for the guys making the big bucks. And when I get to that level, then I'll be interested in looking. But right now, no shiny syndrome, no shiny object syndrome. No need to even look into that because that is way out of my price range. For $1,500 a month, you get an apartment building. So we're not there yet. We're not there yet. So now again with the domains, you only get 9 with ClickFunnels. You get 15 with Builderall's premium plan. Follow-up funnels, unlimited with Builderall. Support, they say priority support. At the end of the day, ClickFunnels support has been alright, but that's with your $297, so I don't have priority. So maybe if I did have that plan, I'd get better support. And you get funnel flicks. Funnel flicks is actually the cool thing that ClickFunnels has that Builderall doesn't, and it's brand new actually to the ClickFunnels platform. So if you see here, this is where things get a little bit different and a little interesting. Is Builderall is ClickFunnels has funnel flicks, right? Where you can take these courses and learn these techniques all for being a member of ClickFunnels, and it's pretty cool. He has, Jay Abraham. He has Tony Robbins. I don't think he shows it here, but I've watched Tony Robbins' course on here because, with the $97 plan, you at least, oh, here it is, Tony Robbins collection. You get the 1 funnel away challenge, Funnel University, 10x secrets. But most of these things, they don't even get unlocked until you have ClickFunnels Premium. Oh, and as you can see here, I believe, yeah, right. So these right here you get on the basic, and then these you get with Premium. So you unlock these with Premium. You gotta be paying $297 to get this, which is cool, guys. Which is cool. Nothing wrong with that. So if you got the money, sign up for it. I do have links to ClickFunnels as well. I am a paying customer for them, so I am an affiliate as well. And if you're ready to jump into that, go for it. But to start things off, in my opinion, in getting your business started online, your online business started, all you need is Builderall's premium $69.90 plan. $69.90 is all you need to drop per month to get a working affiliate business running. That's all you need. You'll have your email automation. You can set up those emails. You can set up those landing pages, and you can start driving traffic to them. You can create that niche authority website by using that WordPress integration. I mean, Builderall can do it all for you. And all you need is a computer, some Wi-Fi, and Builderall, and you can get started today. Again, if you enjoyed this video, I do have that link down below where you can sign up for Builderall $69.90 plan and get all these tools, be an affiliate, promote the software, where I actually help you promote the software. I give you that one-on-one coaching call to help you figure out what you want to use Builderall for. If you want to use it to promote it, if you want to use it to build your affiliate business, I'm here for you. Let's build it. You also get a full course teaching you how to use the Builderall platform, and you get a full course on how to promote the affiliate program for Builderall and make some commissions from it. These courses are short, straight to the point, little mini courses. I don't even like to call it a full course because full courses are long, full of detail. These are just straight to the point. Let's get to it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll be seeing you guys on the winning side. Let's get it. This was Mike Vaya, ImproveYourLifeToday.com.